For what?
I'm trying to work with you.
For what?
You're not working with me, bro.
You know how embarrassing this is on me, man? I'd rather die than go through this embarrassment. You know how embarrassing. If you step outside, I close the door, I go to sleep, man. I can't be having this.
Listen, bro.
Police cannot be harassing anybody since like that. And now they're gonna come and kick me out of the building. We're gonna have time to be. My biggest fear in life is being homeless, buddy. You know what I mean? So I have 150,000 in my bank account. I need time to get my apartment and leave. I have an 800 credit card. You want to see my bank account right now? So you think I'm not lying to you? I need that bitch. You think I need her?
My man, listen.
I'm telling you, my biggest fear is you right now.
Right, so
in my house, putting me in the street, and she knows that.
I'm telling you what's gonna happen, alright? I'm trying to work with you. I'm telling you what's gonna happen, right?
I'm not leaving this place. I have nowhere to go. This fucking bitch, bro. I swear to God, bro.
If you don't leave, we gotta.
Yo, tell my mother that all my money is in my bank account. It's for my mother. But I'm not going to. I'm not leaving this place.
You're not leaving?
I'm not leaving. So you get out your gun, shoot me, do whatever you gotta do. I'm sorry, buddy. Call your family, tell you love me, but that's gonna have to happen. Because I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. That's fucked up. I'm ready. You know I have something and I'm ready.
All boy two, go ahead.
What's the condition over there?
Don't, Alex. Mom, you're gonna hear from my mother.
We need additional to put him in cuffs.
Alright, time for you need additional to put him in cuffs. He's violent at the time.
10-4.
If I attack you, you're gonna shoot me. You know what's gonna end up like this. I'm 24, buddy. So I'm ready. That's not gonna happen. She know it. She's doing it on purpose.
Alright, once again, it's
24.
2243. Plenty of time.
You're going with the wrong person.
My man, I don't want to do too much, but if you're not going to come,
I'm not gonna cooperate. So what we gonna do?
Another one.
take out your taser. Shot fired, shot fired, shot fired.
Don't, Alex. You're gonna hear from my mother.
Alright, time for you need additional to put him in cuffs. He's violent at the time.
If I attack you, you're gonna shoot me. You know what's gonna end up like this. I'm 24, buddy. I'm ready. That's not gonna happen. She know it. She's doing it on purpose. The wrong person.
My man, I don't want to do too much, but if you're not going to come,
I'm not gonna cooperate. So what we gonna do?
Another one.
take out your taser.